In this lesson, we will change quickly the mood of our scene while keeping the same 3D models and render preset. Since Lumion has this extensive material library, we can quickly do some changes and deliver different solutions in our projects. So to do this, we will go first change this here. Let's select this one here. So now we will be with a more end of the day look. Okay. Let me put just a light, not the clouds. Okay. Now I want to make some changes here. So let's start by removing some of these elements here that we have on the table. So it's a little bit different. Okay, so I'm just going to remove these books, just make them invisible. Okay. All right. Okay. Now let's select this floor and let's also make this one invisible. Same for this one. And same thing here. Okay, now let's select the floor that it's underneath, this one. Okay, let's go to Indoor, Stone, and let's select this one. Okay, I'll just add a little bit of weathering, more like this. Wait, it's not this one. It's this one. Okay, this sofa I'll change as well. I'll make it white, not completely white, like gray. And I'll copy this material and I'll paste it here. And as for these pillows, I'll make them some dark blue color. Okay. I'll paste the same material from the sofa here. Okay. Actually, on this one, let's see if we can do some leather. Leather. Let's decrease the scale. Okay. Okay, let's leave it like this for now, and we'll see how it will look. And this here, I'll just change to Indoor, Metal, Aluminum, and I'll increase the scale. No, I'll decrease the scale. And the glossiness as well, and like this, and make it darker. Okay. Actually, let's try to leave it like this. Increase the edges. And the aluminum, some weathering. Okay. For now it's fine. I want to add here another stone material. Let's see, this one, maybe. It could be this one. Yeah, this one is fine. You just add a little bit of weathering as well, and the edges. Okay. Now I want to copy this material here, and I'll paste it here. Okay, it's a little bit too much. The scale, let's just reduce about here. And let's add a little bit of these edges. Okay. Okay. Now, I want to change as well here. Let's make this, to give some contrast, let's paste this material. Okay. Edges, scale like this, and let's change the direction. Not this one, it's this one. Okay. And actually, let's do one more thing here. Let's change this material. Okay, let's keep it like that for now. This one, we'll remove it, and this one as well. Okay. Now let's give some concrete here. Let's go to outdoor concrete, and let's see. Let's try this one. I'll increase the scale about here. It's fine. And I'm just going to make it match that part. A little bit of weathering as well. Okay. And the edges. Okay. Now let's copy this material again, and let's paste it here. Now let's make some changes to this material. Let's make it dark, like so, and reduce the gloss. Okay. Let's copy it, and let's paste it. You see what happened here? Sometimes when you are working on a material, some other material disappears. But don't worry, you just need to, for example, go here. Let's apply the same material here. Okay. And now apply this. Okay, now let's select, for example, this one. And we'll select the concrete. I want this this one. Okay, see, it came back. So let's select here. I want some of these concrete boards. Here it is. Okay, now let's select the pitch. Change the pitch and increase just slightly the scale. Okay. I'm gonna make it more reflective. Okay. All right. Now here, this one actually is fine. Let's leave it like that. What else do we need? This is fine. And actually this here, we can make them white. Like this. Okay. The carpet. Let's change the carpet as well. We will use some fur material from Lumion. So let's go here, nature and fur. Let's select this one. Actually, let me see. What else do I have here? Let's try this one. I'll not touch even any of the parameters. I'll leave it like it is. Okay. This light here, just want to change it to a different color. More to like a bluish color. Okay, leave it at that. And let's see in the render. So I'll just click here, add a new camera, go back, just disable here the reflection so it's faster, and copy the same effects, go here and paste. Okay, now I will go to sun and make the sun brighter like this. And let's see, like so. Actually, I think this is too bright here. Let's decrease the emissive. I think like this is fine. And let's remove the colorization. Okay. Okay. Go back. We have a very strong volumetric sunlight. See, it's completely blowing everything away. So we'll just leave it at about, let's see, just very slightly, like this, it's fine. Just have a little bit coming. And let's now adjust again the height of the sun, lower. I think like this it's fine. And more or less this position. Okay, now let's activate back the reflection like this, keep it normal, and go here and let's adjust this material here on the top. So let's take now a new render. Let's go here and call it bonus. Okay, just need to do some two changes here. I don't like this material, so let's just go back and let's copy this one. Copy. First, let's put this one here. Paste. Okay. And now let's try to put it here as well. No, let's go back. Let's make it again some wood color. Just select this one again. Increase the scale. Decrease the scale, sorry. Yeah, like this. Remove the relief. And let's change the color to something darker. Here weathering, change to wood, has a little bit of weathering and the edges. And let's see, this like this. Let's try it out like this. Okay, let's put this to high. Let's just try to copy this material. Copy, and let's paste it here. Let's change the direction again. Okay, and to the light, let's give it a more white color, like so. Like it's almost like we have some skylight there. Just a little bit more like this. Okay. Okay, let's take now. Actually, before that, just quickly change here the material. Something happened here. So again, let's just try to do some changes here. Let's see. Let's get this book back, put standard. Okay, now we have this back. So now we can put it invisible again. Okay. And this, let's change the color. Okay. Let's go to the render and let's render the final image. Specular, lighting, and material. And this is the final render. Again, just use the same technique I showed you in the post-production lesson. I hope you found this model useful, and I'm looking forward to see what we will be creating. See ya!